two things that I need to cover today, and I've got 2 minutes to do it. All right, the first thing that I want to talk about is the order of operations. If you were here in class this last week like you were supposed to have been, you should have seen me already talk about the order of operations once, but in this next lesson, there are going to be a bunch of problems that have to do specifically with that. Okay? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. When you are looking at an expression and you need to simplify it, meaning like take 8 plus 6 plus 2, you don't want to write down 8 plus 6 plus 2. You want to write down 16, because that's what 8 plus 6 plus 2 is. Okay? So you want to be simplifying things. There is a specific order that you need to be simplifying things in. You need to begin with your parentheses. Then go to your exponents. Then do your multiplication. Then your division. Then addition. And then subtraction. Okay? If you want a full explanation of these, you need to be coming to the Google Meets, because again, these 2-minute lessons are not designed to give you everything that you possibly need to know. It's a quick summary of everything. So if this seems inadequate, come to the Google Meet. All right, the second thing that we need to talk about today is not order of operations, but is our exponents. If you have a number, 8, or if you have a variable, x, and there's a little number up top, it is really essential that you know what that means. Too often I have students taking this 8 and multiplying it by 3 and saying this is 24, or 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is wrong. This means it is 8 times itself, 3 times. So 8 times 8 times 8, okay? That is to write it out, as opposed to evaluating, which would be whatever 8 times 8, 64 times 8 is, okay? Don't have time to do that. Or x times 4, which would be x times x times x times x. The only other piece of information I want to give you before I stop is that anything to the 0th power is going to be 1. And that's where I got to stop for my 2-minute summary.